Good morning. So today it's already December 26. So it's the second day of the Christmas celebration here in the Netherlands. So 2 days ilang celebration, 25 and 26. So yesterday we went to Ruth's parents' place para ato mag-dinner. So yeah, it was really nice. And first day na mo nga Christmas ni Ana sa Netherlands. So of course no, kanang makamingaw ang Pasko sa Philippines because yeah, of course in Cebu, my family is in Cebu. So it's really different. Di rin ako siya first time na away from home during Christmas no kay I was working in Vietnam, so I spent kuan dito two ka Christmas. So yeah, medyo mingaw no, but then I had a video call with my family early in the morning. Dire, but hapon na sa Pilipinas. So I was checking my newsfeed sa Facebook and yeah, makamingaw no. Ang uban naglitsyon, sus kalami sa litsyon. Unsa yung handa sa kuan Pasko? Anong handa nyo sa Pasko dyan sa Pilipinas? So anyway, I came down a little bit earlier kay Anna and Ruth are still sleeping. I decided to come down here. Yeah, para makainom sa akong lemon water. So anyways, today we're going to, for the second Christmas day, we will go to Ruth's uncle's place. Kaya ato may early dinner. I'm gonna show you what we got as presents from Ruth's family. So atong unahon ang kanisha. So this is from Ruth's sister. So this is for Anna. This is a night lamp. So Anna really likes lamps. So ganun siya magtanaw sa lamps. So anyways, kani siya very nice. So thank you di ay Marlene and Ruth. And by the way, I heard from my sister-in-law na ang iya ko ng that her mother-in-law watches my vlogs. So Janet, hello. Fine, kers dagen. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Janet? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you continue watching my videos. So shout out no kay Janet. Janet is also in the same town here. Neighbors rami. So mga kuan siguro maybe 5-minute walk from here. Yeah, so Janet, I hope you have a nice day and your family too. So yeah. Next, I got chocolate from my sister-in-law, my Ruth's sister. So, ano siya? Looks like it. Looks yummy. Ay, glasses na. Baka na dire. And then, from Ruth's parents, we have voucher. Pwede mo. Oh, this is a shopping voucher. Oh, hey ma. So, baka ito ni Hima for shopping. And then, I got, Christmas chocolate. So, nice guy, no? Mga kuan. Nice Santa Claus na purma. Na yung mga wreath na purma. Ooh, nice. Then, I got Anna some kani. Moro jud in taon ni akong pinasko sa akong anak. Kani. Cute kaayo. Gistart na nako siya og pugo og kanang clip no kay ang young hair ning tubo nagmayo. So mo ni siya akong ihatag sa akong baby. Ngayon kay siya no. I love my own good na for sure. Yeah, mo ni ang gisulot gabi kani sa iyang picture. Ako i-insert ang picture niya. Cute kaayo. And then this one too. Nice guys tanan. Kani siya. Kay tugnawon kay kuno diri. Dali ra kay tugnawon diri. Because it's already winter. When we got here, it was almost winter. So tugnaw kayo. So ni siya. Nice kaayo. And then the fabric is really nice as well. Very soft. So and then taas siya no. Mga 2 meters siguro ni. So makatikong-kong gyud ani like if you're watching TV or movies or my series, then it's really comfortable. And then I can cuddle with Anna, be comfortable put sa iya. So it's really nice. Thank you. Bedankt, Goni and Peter, and also Marlene and Ruth. Really nice. I won't be showing you the present I got from Ruth because gi-open naman ko siya earlier na few days before Christmas. Because I've started vlogging and I don't have the old camera that I used to have. I had a camera in Vietnam. I was using Sony A600 camera, but then I sold it because wala naman siya gamit. So when I got here, yeah, I know Ruth knows that I like taking pictures and videos, and I've started recording. So he got me a Canon, another camera there. So thank you, thank you, Dodong. So I'm gonna be using the camera for my next vlogs. I'll just need to figure out how it works and how to connect it to my phone and also to the computer. Yeah, so I'll be using it in the next vlog. So yeah, exciting. So pagpalit di ni Ruth sa camera, it didn't have SD cards, so I also got SD cards from my father-in-law. Thank you. So i-test na mo ang camera later. And then last but not the least, kani siya na-touch jud ko ani niya no. Kani siya from my from Peter and Honey. Really thank you. And so mani siya ang ilang letter goan kanang ang first part kay in Dutch, but the later part na siya. No, it's not a dictionary. It's for in the school desk. Now you're learning how to see the Dutch words very well. Enjoy G, love from Opa and Oma. So ang ilang gift kay ilang paskwilahon. Ilang paskwilahon og Dutch language. So kuan adto og university sa next nga city here. So I really appreciate kay kailangan ko mag-study og Dutch, not only to integrate but here or to prepare for my exam, but really to to be able to communicate more effectively with the people around here. Mas comfortable ang pagpuyo if makastorya yung sa language, I'm not aiming to be fluent right away, but at least I can say what I want to say like clearly or make people understand. But yeah, as a language teacher myself, challenging dyan siya to study another language. And of course, if you're exposed to that environment with that kind of language, then makarealize ka nga agoy, di man na ni ka sayon. So yeah, I can already understand more ako sa akong students before. Yeah, of course, when I was still teaching English, I would always encourage my students to practice the language, speak the language as much as you can, and not to worry about mistakes. But now that I'm also in the same position, the same situation, so di siya sayon, no? But anyway, komt goed. So Dutch people always say komt goed, so it's gonna be okay. So mo to ang among nadawat nga presents from my in-laws or my new family here in the Netherlands. So yeah, medyo maka-homesick ang tungod sa Pasko sa Pilipinas, but I'm really glad na I get to spend time with my new family, my little family, with Ruth and Anna, and also Ruth's family. Too bad we're in this pandemic. We still have this pandemic, so it changes everything. But still, I always think that Christmas always lifts people's spirit, especially the Filipinos, and of course people around the world. But I hope everybody was able to spend a meaningful Christmas with their family. And today, di pa man ang Christmas celebration namo, so we're gonna have dinner. First time na ako magkaon rabbit conine. So we'll see how it goes.
Hi! Nagmata na among ono. Hindi na ako ipakita si Ruth no, kay naka-boxers. I said,
You're off this side.
Papa,
And now you get many followers. Bro. Yeah.
I was
And
just
you're gonna have Dutch lessons, yeah?
I told them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have Dutch lessons starting end of January, Miskin. Maybe.
Yeah, my sister wrote you in for the end of January, so
Yeah.
they will reply if it's possible.
Hopefully,
A2 level?
pwede na. Uy! Yeah,
A2.
Miskin.
A2 or B1?
I already took the
A2 or
A1.
B1.
I already took the A1 test, so nakapasa na ko. And then, I'm supposed to take A2, but the route's pushing for B1.
A2,
Yeah, but we'll
A2
see.
is enough for your...
For my inborgering.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
inburgering.
But yeah, kuan pa ko, mag-interview pa ko first, mag-level test ba? And then if they... Unsa pa ba? This is from my
What is
mother-in-law. And ning buka na, ning kuan ni sprout na. Oh, ni sprout ni bloom day. It's really
Yeah.
nice though.
That's so nice.
Tugnaw na, what's the temperature now ba?
Outside, I think 3 or 4.
4 degrees, and then we're gonna go for a walk. Galing ang sigitan sa camera na ang bata. Galing. Alabugas si Ono. O kabugas. So pretty.
Yeah?
Kiss Papa.
No, Anna?
She's looking at the camera.
Kiss Papa?
She's not. She's like doing this, but she wants to see the camera. See?
Yeah.
Cold. It's really, really cold. Miss Amo. So, ako na i-end akong video. I'm gonna end this video because we're close to our place now. So, yeah, see you on the next vlog. Babush,
Merry
mush,
Christmas.
mush. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Ana, bye-bye. Bye, babush, mush, mush.